Dear students, now we are going to discuss parallel binary adder subtractor logic circuit. In the previous lecture videos, we discussed parallel binary adder and parallel binary subtractor as a separate logic circuits. But there is one common logic circuit which can be used to perform both the addition and subtraction operations. So that circuit is known as binary adder or subtractor. So here we are going to use exclusive OR gate along with this full adder to control the operation of addition and subtraction. So here the control line, which is denoted as M, is used to control or select the operations of subtraction and addition. So here the M is nothing but add bar or sub. Okay, if M is equal to 0, it can perform addition operation because 0 bar means 1. So addition can be done. If M is equal to 1, subtraction can be done. Okay, so here this control line is used to control the operations of subtraction and addition. This is the 4-bit parallel binary adder subtractor circuit. 4 full adders are used in this adder subtractor circuit. Here A and B are the 4-bit binary input numbers. A is given as such to this full adder circuit. Here B is given as input to this XOR gate. So XOR gate is used as a controlled inverter here because it can be controlled by this control line M. M is nothing but add bar slash sub. So if M is equal to 0, this carry input is also 0 for this first full adder. If it is 0 means the another input for this XOR gate is 0. Then there is no change in this B0. We can directly give this B0 to this full adder circuit. So here Cin is 0 as well as both the inputs are given as such to this full adder means we are going to perform addition operation. If M is equal to 1. If M is equal to 1 means this XOR gate produces the complement of this B0. Okay, so A0 is given as such and we are giving the complement of this B and this M value is equal to 1 means this carry input is also 1 for this full adder. So it can perform subtraction operation. So the entire operation is controlled by this control line. Hence, this XOR gate is known as controlled inverter which will control the complement of this B0 based on this control line. The operation of adder subtractor circuit is given like this. When M is equal to 0, that is the control line is kept low and Cin is also 0. Then the XOR gate allows the addend. Addend means here the B values, okay, B input without any change to the full adder. Hence the addition operation is performed, that is the output X is equal to A plus B. When M is equal to 1, that is the control line is kept high and also Cin is equal to 1. Okay, so control line high means Cin is also 1. Then the XOR gate produces the ones complement of the B input. Since Cin is equal to 1, it is added to the complemented addend B value to give the 2's complement of B. Therefore, we can get the subtraction output at the end. So, X is equal to A, that is the first input, plus 2's complement of B. It represents the subtraction operation using 2's complement. So, this is the operation of adder and subtractor circuit. Applications of adder subtractor circuit. It's widely used in arithmetic logic circuits in digital calculators, processors and in digital systems. So widely used in digital computations. Okay.